Oh, we drive. So this car is a driver. I do a lot of canyon carving out here in the East Bay. I haven't taken it to the track yet, but that's gonna be up next. So a couple mods I got coming along for the car is suspension. I'm probably gonna do a full suspension rebuild on it. I did do suspension the first time around, but I'm gonna make it a little bit more stiff just for canyon carving. Hey, I'm Ratha. This is my 1986 930 Turbo. I've owned it since 2021. When I purchased the car, it was a slant-nose conversion that somebody did back in the 90s. So I thought that the original form was a lot prettier and suited the car. So a well-sorted car that came out of California his whole life. Was owned by somebody that passed away, and it sat in probate for about 6 years before I was able to acquire it. Yeah, I've done a lot of work, repainted it, sourced some BBS RS56s and RS57s that I refinished and got back to top shape, and it's looking pretty good, I think.